Front-end development in 2026 is not about collecting courses or hopping between trendy frameworks. It's about becoming someone who can actually build products people use in the real world. Here's why this path is powerful. Every app, every AI tool, every SaaS platform still needs one thing: an interface humans can use without wanting to throw their phone. Backend is the brain. Frontend is the face. And when users get frustrated, they don't blame the server. They blame what's on the screen. That's you. Modern front-end developers are not just button designers. They deal with performance, architecture, user experience, accessibility, animations, and complex data flows. That's why strong front-end engineers in serious product companies earn high salaries. You're not painting the Iron Man suit, you're building the suit. Your journey starts with foundations, and this stage decides everything. Spend the first couple of months mastering HTML, CSS, and JavaScript properly. Structure, layouts, flexbox, grid, responsive design, DOM manipulation, events, and async basics. No shortcuts. No skipping ahead because a framework looks cooler. This is your origin story. Uncle Ben phase. If this is weak, everything later breaks. During this time, build a personal portfolio site, a proper responsive landing page, and a small app that uses an API like a weather or movie app. If you still can't build without following step-by-step tutorials, you're not ready to level up. Once the basics are strong, you move into modern front-end development. Now you go deeper into JavaScript and then into React, which is still a dominant choice. Learn components, props, state, hooks, routing, forms, and API calls. Add TypeScript early. That's your spider sense. It catches mistakes before production does. Your projects now should look like real applications. Build an authentication app with login and protected routes. Build a dashboard that shows charts from API data. Build an e-commerce style front end with cart logic. These are the kinds of projects recruiters immediately understand. Then you step into real-world engineering. This is where most learners stop and actual developers begin. You learn performance optimization, accessibility, clean architecture, scalable components, and proper API integration patterns. You understand how front-end connects with back-end services in real systems. Now, your project should be impressive. Think AI-powered dashboards where users upload data and see intelligent summaries, real-time collaboration apps, SaaS-style admin panels with users, roles, analytics, and settings. These show system thinking, not just page design. That's Avengers level. Now let's talk about the future of front-end in the AI era. AI is not replacing front-end developers. It's changing the job. AI can generate code, yes, but someone still has to design the experience, structure the app, connect systems, optimize performance, and make everything usable. AI is like giving every developer a superpowered assistant, but you still need the hero. Front-end engineers will work more with AI features, real-time data, personalization, voice and chat interfaces, and smarter user experiences. You'll spend less time writing repetitive code and more time making decisions, designing systems, and integrating intelligent features. The value shifts from typing speed to problem solving and architecture. If you treat this casually, it takes years. If you train like an Avenger, daily and seriously, around 8 to 12 months is realistic to become job ready.